Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Sylvain here. Welcome to my channel, Accelerate Your Life. All right, so on today's video, I'm just going to talk a bit about, it's almost time for me to go back to work. It's the 5th of January. So that means, Christmas holidays are all over. And what does that mean to me, the business, and then what I'm going to do in the next little while, to keep progressing, even if I'm busy. And I'm just going to, give a little perspective of where I started as well. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos. Because in this channel, I'll be talking about affiliate marketing, network marketing, and also do a bunch of product reviews as well, all in the goal to help as many people as possible, to really do what they really want to do in life, get out of that 9 to 5 grind. If you're striving to do more in life, you have a passion, you want to develop it, through a podcast, through, writing an ebook, starting a YouTube channel, and so on. So that's really what I want to bring to you. I want to bring some knowledge, and that's why, I'm using this channel to provide that to you. I first started online in 2018. So I initially started with Forex, with a company in Forex. It was a multi-level marketing. So I did that for about a year, so didn't have too much success on the business side, obviously. Even on the trading side, I think it was quite difficult. A lot of things in play, it was a nice program for the learning part of it, but then, I was, going left and right with all different ideas and so on, and then it was really hard to stay focused with a clear goal in mind, when it comes to certain strategy and so on. And then I was starting to promote it and so on, and not having any success, trying to do what they're teaching you and so on. And and that's when I was like, okay, so there's got to be a problem somewhere, like I'm not doing as well as some people are doing, so there's obviously an issue somewhere, right? There's something I don't know, there's something I don't do, right? So I didn't make it someone else's problem, I made it mine. I was like, okay, so I need to up my game a little bit. And then that's when I discovered affiliate marketing, got into, saying, a program to teach you, to brand yourself, start a YouTube channel, start maybe selling, high ticket offers, because, at first you can benefit from that by learning all the skills in the actual, course, and then you can turn around and recommend it to other people, and then make commissions out of it, and then hopefully go from there, and then you kind of building momentum and so on. So it hasn't happened quite yet. Momentum, it's still pretty slow. I'm developing lots of amazing interactions with people online and so on. So obviously it's starting to work out for me, and then I gotta keep pushing to get to my goal and so on. So really, my goal this year will be to help as many people as possible through my channel, and then we'll grow the audience through that, and it's a value. So again, I'm gonna stop here. So if whenever you need something, just make sure you ask me in the channel. I think in my banner you get my my Facebook profile, so hit that, come and talk to me. It'd be a pleasure to meet you. That's what I want to start helping out a few people, so don't hesitate, get in touch, and then I can share what I've been through, and then trying to hopefully inspire you to do the same. So if I go back to my story, so after 2018, did that for a year in Forex. I decided to kind of stop, although I maintained my passion for Forex, as I said before, and also the crypto currency, so all the blockchain technology. I think I talked about that a couple of videos ago. So I really want to make that part of me and my branding. That's what I do, so why not talk about it from time to time, right? So I did that, so I'm continuing doing that on the side, and it's again another source of income down the road for me. It's a skill that I acquired, and why not use it, right? And yeah, so after that, last summer I decided to make the jump and get involved a bit more. So I think in July I bought a high ticket program online, so I got lots of value out of it. It didn't turn out too good on the other side, because the program kind of went down shortly after I paid for it. Although I could still access the learning, but then that commission part of it is now gone, right, from my perspective. So that was kind of a bummer in that regards. But certainly something that's not going to stop me. And then I paid for another program. So I think you start getting into the shiny object syndrome. And as much as Facebook is good in that sense, there's a lot of I would say newbies, but I'm probably one of them. But a lot of people get into different programs, and then they make a few commissions that first week, and then it looks good. They make a nice post on that, and then it's gone, right? So a lot of new companies, and I'm gonna introduce some of them in my channel right now. A lot of companies that are kind of going out for a couple months, making people get in, and then they make a bit of money, and then they quit, or they stop and they go bankrupt or something. So yeah, we'll be discussing a bit about that on other videos. But anyway, so like I was saying, on Facebook, it's hard. You see other people, being successful early without doing pretty much anything, and then you're here now. I'm doing YouTube videos, and building a website and so on, and then it's a slow progression. But hey, I think that's part of my that'll probably be part of my story, the struggle doing that. And I think if I can share that to other people, you obviously not feel like you're the only person, because I'm feeling the pain right now, right? So and then you're trying to figure out where you really fit, what do you want to do, that sort of thing. So it becomes pretty hard to progress, because you're always kind of what should I do next, that sort of thing. And then recently, another person introduced me to another program, in affiliate marketing and so on. So I think overall I'm not, where I'm supposed to be in monetary term, let's say, but I'm learning a ton of things, and then from different programs. So that way I could, I had the chance to make a website, start my YouTube channel, and so on. So I think it was great value to me, even though it's not working as anticipated. But I think it's again part of the journey. And that's really what I want to share with you. I've been through a bit of pain. So now I've only done that for about 7 months now. So I think I can't expect too much, but I'm a type of person with, that's gonna, ambitious, that's gonna ask a lot about himself, right? So I think I'm guilty of that. So sorry. So that was pretty much my quick story. I've been doing that for about a year, and then affiliate marketing for about 7 months. I've been obviously struggling, but I think what is going to make me being successful this year, and then help you as well do the same thing, is like I'm doing now. So I'm doing a video. I'm getting a few views, but I keep doing them, right? So keep plugging away, keep putting content out there, and then eventually the momentum's gonna start showing up. I'm pretty sure, and then I'm convinced it's gonna show up, but it's just a matter of time. You just can't really establish when that's gonna be. So keep doing your daily routine, keep doing your Facebook posts, whatever you do, and then I think that way we can all progress together. And then I think at the end of 2020, I think it'll be obviously in a different direction. And obviously another thing is also doing a change of career again this summer. So another thing in the way, it could be an obstacle again for the business, but I think I'm going to manage that, and then help you as well manage whatever you need to do. A lot of people might be parents out there. I am, and then it's dealing with the work, 40 hours a week, dealing with children and so on, and your wife, and all the family stuff going on. So it's a lot of stuff, and trying to manage that. Squeeze a little video, go in the car for a few minutes, and then post that online later on. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'd like you to do as well. Don't hesitate to share your passion. That's what that's what's really all about. And then so that was pretty much it. I want to keep it around 10 minutes here. So if you'd like to know more about myself, you know where to get in touch. Just look below. I've got a bunch of links here for my social profiles. And then hopefully I'll be in touch with you soon. So we can help you, achieve the same thing, have a nice 2020. So that's pretty much it. If you'd like to visit my website, accelerateyourlife.io, it's under construction, but I'm gonna keep working on that. And then if it's a great value to you, if it resonates to you, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and then hit the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos. And it's just the beginning of 2020, so there'll be many more. Hope to get in touch. Have a good one. Bye.